Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I just wanted to do a quick little tarot peek at something that's going on in the news lately, and that is the whole idea of whether President Trump will be filling the seat of Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who has recently passed away, just a couple of days ago actually. Now, I'm not going to get into politics as far as expressing an opinion one way or the other on this channel. That's not what I do. But I do want to look at what's going to be happening here. I guess the first question that I want to find out is, will President Donald Trump be filling Ruth Bader Ginsburg's seat on the Supreme Court before Election Day 2020? Let's find out what the cards have to say about that. There's definitely a lot of communication going on about that, for sure. That's interesting. Look at this, right in the middle of the spread about filling this seat is the Justice card in reverse. How cool is that? I love it when Spirit confirms that we're on the same page. So we do start, for those of you who know about the tarot, we start with the Eight of Wands. There's lots of communication back and forth around this whole topic. Definitely. We have the Four of Cups in reverse. To me, this card traditionally to me talks about overlooking some disappointments, and instead of wallowing in pity party, usually is how I explain it, looking at the opportunities that are there instead. So this to me would talk about not wanting to spend a whole lot, about President Trump not wanting to spend a whole lot of time sitting still in the grief of this, of losing Ruth Bader Ginsburg, but wanting to move forward and look at the opportunity that is at hand, which, you know, we all know that the opportunity is at hand to put somebody in there who is more in alignment with the things that Trump believes about the Constitution and about our law and about our country. So looking at the opportunity, definitely. Justice in reverse, this just is very specifically confirming that we are talking about Ruth Bader Ginsburg and the fact that her seat is vacated and needs to be filled at some point. Ace of Cups. This tells me that as far as filling the seat before the election, President Trump would love to do that. Well, I kind of feel like I'm cheating there because common sense sort of tells us that. And then we have the Six of Coins. Now the Six of Coins really talks about balance. Talks about balance in this situation. So we know that there is balance in the situation as far as there's President Trump's view on this and the Republicans' view on this, and there's also the Democrat view on this. But I think that balance, I think that he is actually going to be filling this position. He's going to be bringing the court justice panel back into its normal balance, with its normal balance being that it can't be tied. I don't think anybody is going to want a tie. So my take on this is that he will actually fill it before Election Day. I kind of want to see what's going to be the reaction of that. Because we know there's going to be some people that are very unhappy about that. And I want to see if the reaction to that will be a violent reaction, you know, as far as actual physical violence, because that makes me a little nervous. I'll tell you what, I don't see that there's actually any physical violence that happens. I do see threats. I do see threats, and I see attempts. I see number one, a threat. I also see an attempt at violence. I don't see either one of those actually coming through, though. I see both of those being thwarted. Okay. All right, well, yeah, I think that's all I want to take a peek at. So I'm going to put the cards away, wrap this video up, and get it sent out. Thanks for watching.